In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money online using this platform Upwork.pro to make money with affiliate marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start earning passive income online with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this platform to make money with affiliate marketing. This platform is going to convert long YouTube videos into various clips that you can use to create content faster and make money faster with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you how this process works. All you need to do is to head over to YouTube, and we are going to be taking the weight loss niche as an example. So if you come over to YouTube and you type in how to lose weight, okay, so you want to click on search. So once you do that, I recommend you come over to filter section and you want to work with Creative Commons videos, as you don't want to encounter copyright issues. So once you click on Creative Commons, as you can see, you are going to be shown videos that you can use to create content. All right, so as you can see, the first video right here, how to lose weight fast without losing muscle. And you can see this video was created 3 weeks ago, and that tells you this video is still very recent. So all you need to do is to click on the video. So once the video opens up, all you need to do is to copy the URL of the YouTube video. So once you copy the URL, all you need to do is to paste the video right here, and you want to click on get free clips. So as you can see, this website has converted this long form video into short form videos that we can use to promote affiliate offers. All right, you can see the first video right here is also going to show you a score of how likely this video is going to perform on this platform. As you can see, this video has 99 out of 100 score, which tells you this video is going to really perform well on this platform. And also you can see it also created a title for you that you can use for this video as well. And now you can click on this video to preview this video. As you can see, it's also going to change the color of the text right here. Literally, this software is going to do everything for you in just a few minutes. So all you need to do is to download the video. So once you download these videos to your device, I'm going to show you example of people who are making money with this type of videos. So if you go over to TikTok and type in how to lose weight, you are going to see people are creating this type of videos that have text in them on TikTok as well. So all you need to do is to set up an account on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook Reels. All you need to do is to download those videos and upload them to this platform. You can see this Instagram account right here is linking to most likely a ClickBank product right here. So if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. As you can see, this person is promoting products from ClickBank. So if people come over to this person's page and purchase any of these affiliate products, this account is going to make money. So this is a simple way that you can use by using this platform Upwork.pro to convert long YouTube videos into short videos and make money in passive income. And also other platforms that you can upload the videos to is rumble.com. As you can see, this website has a lot of videos as well. You can see there are short videos on this section as well. You can see these videos are getting a lot of views as well. And also you want to go over to BitChute as well and upload this video. The more you share these videos across these social platforms, the more traffic you're going to get on your affiliate link. And to get your affiliate link, all you need to do is to go over to clickbank.com and you want to click on the marketplace. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this section, and all you need to do is to look for any affiliate product from any of these categories right here. Since we are working with the weight loss niche, I'm going to click on health and fitness. So once I do that, as you can see, there are various products on this category alone, over 700 products that I can promote right here and make money. You can see the first product, Appling, which is going to pay over $130 for every single sale I bring to this product. And all you need to do from here is to click on promote, and you'll be able to get your affiliate link. All you need to do is to make sure to include the affiliate link in the description. This is a very simple strategy you can use to make money online, as this platform has already done all the work for you. All you need to do from here is to plug and play, take action, and make money online. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.